What's happening, everybody? It's your man Brandon here, and it's time for another episode of SnackAttack. Kids, don't attack people. Unless they attack you first, then that's self-defense. On today's episode of SnackAttack, we have the BAF Hot and Spicy Chicken Almond. If you aren't hip to the groove, BAF is a Korean almond producing company with some other kinds of snacks like popcorn and such. The acronym stands for Healthy but Awesome Flavors. Now, hot and spicy chicken sounds like an awesome flavor, but is the execution there? Let's see what the snack stench presents us. Ooh! They definitely smell hot and spicy, almost like a hot and spicy ramen noodle. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The Badunkadunk brand. You know, it's like a purple packaging at the grocery store. I think you know what I'm talking about. They smell good. Oh my god, the spice is so bad. I think I might. Wow. I literally sneezed because they were so spicy. That's the first time that's happened, at least while I'm reviewing a snack. Woo! These SOBs are hot and spicy. I didn't plan ahead and have a bevy next to me like the doofus that I am, so I'm only eating two of them. Wow. They're hot and they're spicy, y'all. If you're not into hot and spicy things, stay away. But if you embrace the heat, go for it. They hit the profile of flavoring on the head. They taste like hot and spicy chicken, for real, for real. Wow. The heat's making me contemplate life a little bit, y'all, if you can't tell in my eyeballs. Oh, wow. Good stuff, BAF. Hot stuff. Spicy stuff. Whew. Time for the question of the video. Those are chicken inspired. What is your favorite kind of chicken? Fried chicken? Braised chicken? Chicken breast? Chicken nuggets? Chicken strips? Chicken tendies? Boneless? What is it? Let me know down below, please. Gun to my head, I'm going nuggets, man. But if I had to pick a secondary type of chicken, barbecue chicken. Korean barbecue chicken. Ooh, yeah. But I'm a nug man. Nug or die, you dig? Let me know what your favorite chicken is below, please. It is time to skedaddle. As always, listen, laugh, eat, enjoy, repeat. Fochshole.